morning to all. Welcome back to Max Online Class. In this video, we are going to learn exercise 4.2, question number 10. Look at the diagram. This is a triangle, right triangle QPR. Angle P is equal to 90 degree is given, as well as PS is the bisector. QPR is equal to 90 degree and PS is its bisector. If PS is its bisector means QPR is equal to 90 degree given. So QPS, measurement of an angle QPS, is equal to measurement of an angle SPR is equal to 45 degree. It is given clearly. Okay. And one more important, ST drawn, which is perpendicular to PR. They have drawn ST. It is perpendicular to the side PR. So it is 90 degree, you know very well. Okay. If it is 90 degree means this is 90 degree. This angle SPT equal to 45. So 45, this one is 90 means it should be 45. It should be 45. This is also 45. Therefore, the triangle PST is an isosceles. This triangle PST is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Therefore, the side which is opposite to the angles are equal, and the angles which is opposite to the sides are equal. This is 45, so this opposite side is PT. Its length is equal to, it is 45, its opposite side is ST. So PT length is equal to ST length. They are equal in length. Okay. So in this case we are going to prove ST into PQ plus PR equal to PQ into PR. Now we are going. So proof. First, PS is an angle bisector. PS is the bisector. By using ABT, angle bisector theorem, we can write QS by SR is equal to PQ by PR. You know this, you have learnt. So QS by SR is equal to PQ by PR. So here I am going to add 1 on both sides. So QS by SR plus 1 is equal to PQ by PR plus 1. So same denominator, that is SR. So QS plus SR is equal to denominator PR. So PQ plus PR. Okay. So it can be written as QS plus SR. QS plus SR becomes QR by SR is equal to PQ plus PR by PR. This is 1. Okay. So now I am going to say these two triangles in triangle PQR and triangle STR. What are they? PQR and STR. Okay, these two triangles are similar. I am going to say how it means. QPR is equal to STR is equal to 90 degree and R is common angle. Okay, therefore triangle RST, if you take like this, means RST similar to triangle RQP. These two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So RS by RQ is equal to ST by QP is equal to RT by RP. Take first two, okay, and write it reciprocal form. So it can be written as QR by SR is equal to QP by ST. QP by ST. So QR by SR, what is QR by SR? In one equation number 1, QR by SR equal to PQ plus PR. QR by SR is equal to PQ plus PR by PR is equal to QP or PQ, okay, by ST. What is ST? ST is equal to PT. So you replace instead of ST by PT, okay. So if you do cross product, you can get PT into PQ plus PR is equal to PQ into PR. This is the required result, hence it is proved. Listen once again, this is the given diagram. Here we are going to prove ST into PQ plus PR equal to PQ into PR. I have applied angle bisector theorem and I have shown these two the triangle PST is an isosceles. If the triangle PST is an isosceles, means the side which is opposite to the angles are equal. That concept I applied. So PT is equal to ST, I got it. And then the triangle RST and RQP are similar, I said, by using angle similarity criteria. After that I got angle similarity criteria. I said the two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So using proportionality condition, we got the result QR by SR equal to QP by ST. After that QR by SR result already we found it. If you replace by that, you can get the required result. Question number 11, exercise number 4.2. ABCD is a quadrilateral where length of AB equal to length of AD. Look at the diagram. Here AB is equal to AD and the bisector of BAC. AE is the bisector of BAC and the bisector of DAC, it is AF. Intersect the sides BC and DC at the points E and F respectively, okay. Prove that EF is parallel to BD. We are going to prove this EF is parallel to BD, okay. Proof. In triangle BAC, AE is the bisector. AE is the bisector. So by ABT theorem, it means angle bisector theorem, we can write BE by EC is equal to AB by AC. This is first one. Next, in triangle DAC, AF is the bisector. AF is the bisector. By applying angle bisector theorem, we can get DF by FC is equal to AD by AC. we know that length of AB equal to length of AD. So I am going to replace AB instead of AD. So DF by FC is equal to AB by AC. This is 2. Equate 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2. What do we get? AB by AC equal to BE by EC. Here AB by AC equal to DF by FC. So BE by EC is equal to DF by FC. Okay. Listen, BE by EC equal to DF by FC. By converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay, if BE by EC equal to DF by FC means EF is parallel to BD according to converse of basic proportionality theorem. So hence EF is parallel to BD. It is proved.